something on the order of 30 to 40% of all robberies nationwide now are robberies of smartphones. It is totally unacceptable that we have an epidemic of crime that we believe can be eliminated if the technological fixes we believe are available are put into place and smartphones are equipped to be disabled, equipped to be bricked. Our message is very simple to the folks in the industry. Work with us to solve this problem. Work with us to make it a pointless endeavor to assault someone and steal their smartphone. We can do that by making them useless for resale.
On my first meeting with Apple, January of this year, I was told that the technological solution to deal with this problem was not forthcoming. It's really interesting that 6 months later, now we have Apple talking about it. But let there be no doubt, the industry has a moral, it has a social obligation to fix this problem. This is an industry that has a tremendous capacity to innovate, to create tremendous user experience, and they have an obligation to do this now.